Hi everybody, welcome to Excel Prop Marketing Services. In this video we will only be just a general talk and information which we would like to give it to customers related to whether it is okay to wait and buy real estate in future, or this is the right time. Is this the right time to buy real estate? See, real estate, whenever you're buying, that's the right time. So the more you wait, the more appreciation on the property it goes on. The property will never go down. The property value will never go down. So don't think if you wait for next 6 months or next 1 year, you will be getting a property with lesser costs. Let's assume now today you have a budget of 50 lakh, looking out for a 2 BHK apartment, whereas now you're not getting an option because 5 to 10 lakh rupees is the additionally which you need to add it to get a proper 2 BHK in one of the good reputed developer, right? So what you will think, let me wait for another 2 years or 1 year, they might come up with some other good options, right? So you will be waiting for next 1 year or 2 year, and after 2 years the property value of 60 lakh which was there earlier, and now after 2 years the same property value is somewhere 80 lakhs, or let's say 70 lakhs. So at that time what you will say, okay, let me increase to 60, right? You're automatically increase 60 lakh, but again you're still losing that, and you still need to increase another 10 lakh to get that 70 lakh 2 BHK property after 1 year or 2 year. So we suggest take little risk, but invest it in a right product, right? Risk is necessary, it is really needed if you are looking out for some good returns in future. Risk is required. Without risk, I'm sorry, you can't get a best deal, right? Example, see, we have good properties in market in KIADB Aerospace Park, that is Brigade, Prestige, this is Provident that I'm in here, marketing office going on, and there we have Godrej, Ananda, and even other products are coming in this area, right? So now let us go back 2 years ago. If we go back like 2019-20, the 2 BHK value for this area was 47, 48, 50, under 50, right? There are still so many customers who interacts with us by saying, yeah, we missed the best prices which we were getting earlier 2 years ago, because they thought, okay, this area will not grow, okay, firstly, and they also thought that this is a dead investment, which is actually a wrong thinking, right? So when a government themselves they says, okay, this area we have a lot of focus, so then this area will have something which is really beautiful happening or coming in future. I cannot compare it with ITPL, but definitely this can be easily compared with the electronic city, right? So as I was saying, take a decision, invest it to get the good returns. Do not wait for next 6 months. If you're okay to stretch a little bit, just increase your budget and select a unit and go for it. The more you think, the more inventories will get sell off. The more you think like, let us wait for next 1 year, if we get a good option, we will invest in that property. But till that time this area will get developed, this property value will go high. I'm talking about all the developers here, all right, irrespective of the reputation. However, all the developers we have here are the reputed builders, all right? So do not wait for an opportunity, guys. So create an opportunity. How you will be creating an opportunity? It's like by taking the decisions quickly in a right time. So this is the right time. So your time is always right, yeah. So you have to make decisions. You have to come little forward and start taking the decisions. That is mainly important, is what I think. This is what I recommend to the investors or the home buyers, the first time home buyers. I know that's a dream home. So dream home in a reputed developer will it's like a very good deal, right? So don't miss out your opportunity. Come forward. Oh yeah, here the site. Invest in real estate. Safest investment. The builders are not running anywhere, so you will get your product on time. All these are RERA approved projects. All these are properly loaned by banks. All the banks are giving the loan on this project. You're planning for home loan, we have the bankers. You're going for self-funding, so we have the construction link plan and time link plan based on developer to developer. That's it from our side, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to us. Don't forget to call us. We are here waiting for your call. Call us to understand more about real estate in Bangalore. wherever you are in the world. So if you're invested in Bangalore, get good returns in coming future. Stay safe everybody.